Hello folks, Midwest F-150 here. Today is June 3rd. We are at Walmart again, and we're going to check their motor oil section to see what it looks like. I know the last time we were here, they had a major rollback on oil, and there were a lot of sweet deals. Let's see if they've expanded that sale and see what they have. Here we go. By the way, if you haven't already, do me a favor. Subscribe to the channel. It helps. All right, we're almost there. Okay, here it is. The last time I was here, the Valvoline was on the end cap, $26.97 from Max Life Advance. Okay, let's go over here. Okay, I still see a lot of red stickers here, indicating that the rollback is still happening. There it is, Castrol Edge, still $25.97. Advance $26.97, same price as the end cap. GTX Castrol $20.97. Valvoline synthetic blend high mileage $19.97. Castrol $20.97. The GTX high mileage. Max Life premium full synthetic Max Life $28.97. Restore and Protect $29.97. That's mismerchandised. And then your Mobile Ones of the world, $26.97, and then Mobile One Synthetic 0W8. Oh, 0W8 right here. I know a lot of folks mentioned that it's hard to find, but there it is, $27.97 for 0W8. Then you got 10W40 high mileage or $24.97. European car formula, $24.97. And then you got this 12-quart box for $60. 15W50. Man, I wonder if I put this in the center, will it help reduce the oil consumption or will it destroy the engine completely? All right, Royal Purple, $37.56 for the 5-quart bottle. ESP, Mobile One, 0W20. All right, jumping over here. Castrol, $23.97 for the Edge, 0W20, 5W20, 5W30, 10W30. Edge high mileage $23.97, Platinum full synthetic $25.97, Platinum high mileage Pennzoil high mileage, Platinum high mileage full synthetic 10W30 $25.97, GTX Castrol here $23.96 for hybrids as well. All right, and then GTX high mileage $23.96. Sorry about the background noise. GTX full synthetic $23.96. Mismerchandised Valvoline synthetic blend Motorcraft $20.97, which is a pretty sweet deal. What is that, 5 quarts? Yeah, I think that's 5 quarts. House protects pistons. I didn't know that. All right, Pennzoil high mileage full synthetic 0W20. Pennzoil full synthetic 0W20, $22.97. Platinum high mileage full synthetic, I think I already mentioned that. Haviland, okay, 6 quarts, $22.98. I think that's a conventional. Yeah, conventionals. Quaker State $20.97. Across the high mileage, and then all mileage $19.78 for the 10W30, 5W20. SuperTech. SuperTech $16.98 for the 5W20. 0W20 is $17.97. 0W16, look at that. 0W16, $17.97. Looks like it's just that single bottle. And then you got the 5W20 $17.97. 5W30 $17.97. And then you got the Advanced Full Synthetic $19.98 across the board. Yeah, so far we are only able to spot 0W16 in the SuperTech, and then the, 0W8 in Advanced Fuel Economy. Then you got your single quart bottles. There it is, 0W20, Restore and Protect. Trying to look for the low viscosity oil, because, low grade oil, so 0W8, 0W16s of the world in the 1 quart format. Unfortunately, I don't see any. Move over here. 0W16 Platinum full synthetic, $8.47 a quart. Let's see here. 5W30 1 quart, 0W16, $4.98. Sweet deal. All right, folks. Well, there it is. The June 3rd Walmart store visit. Still looks about the same. Still got that rollback going. Let me know in the comments if you get where you guys get your motor oil. All right. Make sure to subscribe, and I'll talk to you guys soon. Bye now. Thank you so much for making it to the end of this video. On this channel, I'm on a mission to reach 500,000 miles on my 2021 F-150. Along the way, you can expect regular updates, in-depth product reviews, live streams, and more. Subscribe now to stay up to date and be part of the journey.